What's going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm be taking off my black vinyl roof pad on my car for the last 3 years. The reason I put it on is because, well, for one, I just had it laying over from my old car, my 2005 V6 Mustang. The roofs are the same size, so I was able to put it on. But I'm here in Texas, so the sun's horrible, and with all that sun just hitting on top of my car, it can fade your paint. So I figured I'd put this on and just try to protect my roof as much as I can. Now, as you can tell from how faded this thing is, this thing has definitely taken some crazy heat and some sun. I mean, hey, I'm glad that it's this versus the paint underneath that's taking it, but I just want to take it off and see what the paint quality is underneath. Hopefully it'll just be as good as the day I put it on, and there's not any kind of adhesive or anything that's, you know, left from the bottom of this. Best case scenario, I'll just take it off in a single sheet. Worst case scenario, it'll come off in a few sheets, and there'll be all those little adhesive little spots everywhere that I'll have to get some adhesive remover to remove. But let's go ahead and get started. First, you gotta pop up these little things right here, put those down in here, and let's see if I can get a corner. Okay, so I was able to get this corner up over here. Let's see if I can just get it in one single pull. That would be awesome. Oh man, this is gonna fight me. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this camera down and take this entire vinyl roof off. I will show you all the results afterwards. Okay, so 2 hours later, I finally got the entire roof wrap off. This is what's left of it. As you can tell, it did not come off very easy. This looks like a shredded garbage bag, but this is what's left over. I mean, it's clean-ish. I mean, the paint quality, I mean, yeah, where the adhesive isn't stuck to, it's good. But where the adhesive is, all of this area right in here, I mean, I'm just gonna have to get some Goo Gone or something and get that off. But yeah, the roof wrap did its job, protected my roof, and really just made the paint, or kept the paint looking good. Now, taking it off, I was using this little dryer right here. It just made it a lot easier. Just pull as slow as you can, get the biggest pieces off. I mean, in the biggest sections as you can. I got one section off. I mean, it was probably pretty much that entire little corner over there. That was like the biggest section. All the other pieces were just little tiny, just, you know, peeling them off. So get off the big sections if you can. Okay, now I'm done with my roof altogether. I got some rubbing alcohol and got all that gunk off. So my roof is back to normal. Looking back, would I buy this again from American Muscle? No, not at all. I mean, it was 80 bucks from online. I mean, it changed the look of my car a little bit, but from all the troubles of putting it on, taking it off, getting everything clean again, just taking it off alone took at least 3.5 hours between, you know, actually taking it off and cleaning everything. So I wouldn't recommend getting this again. But guys, that will be it for today's video. And one last thing before this video is done, I want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. I hope that everyone had a great day and was able to spend some good time with their families. This has been an awesome year making videos, and next year's actually gonna be even cooler. The second Saturday of every month from January all the way to December of 2019, we're gonna be doing drag races out at Sealy, or at the West Houston Muscle events. So come out there and race, and I can't wait to see some of y'all. So guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.